Boost your fitness routine with the BOSU Balance Trainer. This versatile tool helps improve balance, strength, and stability. Whether you're looking to enhance your core, challenge your coordination, or increase flexibility, the BOSU Balance Trainer offers a fun and effective way to take your workouts to the next level. Perfect for all fitness levels. In this guide, you'll learn how to properly inflate your BOSU Balance Trainer step by step. First, collect the BOSU Balance Trainer pump, nozzle, and adapter. Attach the nozzle securely to the pump. Insert the nozzle firmly into the inflation hole. Pump the BOSU Balance Trainer until the dome is firm but not overinflated. Right the inflation level to ensure the trainer is firm but comfortable. Congratulations! Your BOSU Balance Trainer is ready for use. Have a great workout!